Hi, I'm Tasman and today I'm going to show you how to make a repairing hair serum using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in and select the Skin and Hair Care program, and then click on the gel-like water-based serum build, and then click Create. Firstly, I'm going to go in and select some actives, and I'm going to select some baobab protein. This repairs UV damage, increases hair strength, and also improves barrier function. I'm also going to select a bit of honeycot. This adds a nice moisturising and humectant type feel to the product, and it also enhances the shine of the hair. Next, I'm going to select some added extras. I'm going to select some bearberry extract. This is a great antioxidant for the hair and the scalp. And I'm also going to select some green coffee extract. This is great on dry and damaged hair. For my humectant, I'm going to select some propane diol because I don't want it to be sticky or tacky. And for my gum, I'm going to select some xanthan gum. I'm going to use the xanthan gum at minimum input because I do want my serum to be quite low viscosity because this will help it spread through the hair. For my lipids, I'm going to add a small input of some blackcurrant oil. This is suited to damaged hair types. And because I don't want my hair to feel greasy or heavy, I'm also going to add some cyclomethicone, as this is really light and long spreading. Next is my essential oils, and I'm going to select a bit of grapefruit. And I'm also going to blend it with a bit of sweet orange. This is going to give it a nice fruity citrus smell. For my antioxidant, I'm just going to go in with some mixed tocopherols. And lastly is my preservative, and I'm going to select the GeoGuard ECT. Okay, and then we're going to click on Generate Method. And there you have a full formula method. Now with this serum, you can apply it to damp or wet hair, and then you can blow dry it afterwards, and it should leave your hair feeling really nice. And that's how easy it is to make a repairing hair serum using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own hair serums. Happy formulating!